Let me show you my spoon. My spoon is silver. I eat with food with my spoon. The stars sometimes look silver. There is only one spoon, but there are many stars. Do not eat the star with your spoon. Eat food with your spoon and gaze at the star. What next? Tissue and toilet. Two things you need when you have a cold. Use a tissue and you know when to use the toilet. Two things you need: tissue and toilet.